Hey everyone, welcome back. It is Thursday, October 30th, and I don't know about you, but I'm ready for the weekend. This week has been crazy, so I'm fried. But I'm heading out on a work trip to Philly on Monday, and I was getting ready to pack, and I thought it might be fun to do a pack with me kind of video. Let me know in the comments if that's something that you want to see more of, because I was also thinking about vlogging my travel day, so let me know if that's something that you'd be interested in seeing too. I am not a travel pro at all. I admire people who can get like 5 to 7 days worth of stuff in a carry-on bag, for a trip, because that is not me. I have a medium-sized base luggage in front of me, and that's probably going to be tight. I might have to use the expander, but we'll see. What I do want to show is some of the items that have become staples in my travel. Like, I don't think I can live without them. And I am not sponsored by any of these items. We have like 12 followers, so I'm clearly not sponsored by anybody. But I love these items. And I'm not a gatekeeper, so I thought it would be kind of fun to show you some of the stuff that I use for my travel. So the first item is a Cadence parcel. I love these. They're made from recycled plastic. This is one of the first opaque ones, and this is from their holiday collection, so it is out now. It just came out in this beautiful Merlot color. Again, plastic, so it's durable, it's easy to clean in case you spill something, and you can put anything in here: makeup, toiletries, whatever it is. And this is a large size, so it has like this really cool like magnetic top, and then again you can just stuff it. These are all my toiletries with whatever you need in here, and it closes back up, and the magnetic top is pretty tight. Like, look at that, nothing falls out. And then it has a loop here, so you can like hang it from a hook or something like that. I usually just leave it on top of the vanity in the hotels that I go to, and it's fine, because again, you can just like clean off the bottom, clean the inside, and so it doesn't get all like grimy. But love this color. And then I also have this medium-sized one for all of my makeup, and it's really cool because the magnetic tops, actually, since this one's smaller, it won't connect the way it's supposed to, but if this was a bigger size, like, you can connect them and kind of just like line them up as you need to. But same thing, just a little bit smaller, has a magnetic top, closes up, easy. And I like that they're flat, so it packs a lot easier. And then I have this color, and these are the first ones that they came out with. So this is clear. This is nice too, because you can see everything inside of it, so you know what you have in here before you start reaching for things. And it's exactly the same. It has the magnetic top and the loop. Another one of my favorites, and I have had this since 2018. I already packed this stuff. This is like my undergarments, socks, and pajamas, so nobody needs to see all that. But these lean travel cubes are a lifesaver. I got these when Jerry and I got married in 2018, and we went on a honeymoon to Europe. So we did Italy and Switzerland, and we did like 6 cities. And so at that time, I was clearly a much better packer, because we had one large luggage between the two of us. We didn't want to bring too much stuff since we were bouncing from city to city by train. So I bought these, and they're still going strong. And these are great because if you need to expand them, you can, so you have more room. But if you don't, they just zip up, and they're nice and flat, and you can get like so much stuff in here. Again, got these on Amazon. I don't know how expensive they are now, because everything is like $5 million more than what it was in 2018. But I will find them on Amazon and add the link to the description. And shoe bags are another lifesaver too, because who wants their shoes like getting all their clothes and everything else inside like all dirty and ew. So I clearly have a color thing going on here, because I have the Cadence capsules, my nails, and now my sneakers, but love this color. But just throw these in here like so, and zip it up, voila. Keeps everything inside clean, and you don't have to worry about your shoes all over the place. So now I'm going to pack up. So yeah, rate me and let me know what you think on how I'm doing. But wait, there's more. I got so excited about packing and like getting this out the way that I completely forgot to show you the Cadence capsules. These are amazing. So these have like magnetic tops, so they actually stack together. So you probably can't, well maybe you can, but they stack up, and they have these really cool, I don't know if you can see this, but they have little tiles on top, and some of the tiles are already like pre-made. This one is one of them. It says makeup remover, and you can pop them off and then just kind of like, you know, pop them back on, so they are interchangeable. But you can also make your own. So like a few of the capsules that I have their own like personalized labels, which is really cool. And then you just open it. This is my makeup remover, and then close it up. And these are great because they don't leak, and they're small. Here's like a small one, and then this is a medium-sized one. And again, this is from the holiday collection. So this color in Merlot is new and limited. So beautiful. And then I have another one that's in another medium size too. These are amazing. I do have some large ones, but I don't think I have them in here. But they have larger size ones that are probably, I would say, maybe, they're probably about this size. So this would be the size of like a large capsule. And you can even take a medium one and kind of, they have like these little extenders. So you can put the extender on and it'll turn it into a large. But it's great because you can put anything in there: shampoo, makeup remover, toner, oils, conditioner, like whatever it is that you need. And that way you don't have to take like your full bottles of everything, which I love, especially if you have anything that's gonna break or anything like that. And again, they don't leak, so it's amazing. I love these to death, and I have like a gazillion of them in different colors. And just like that, we are ready to go. Again, this luggage is by Base, so I will link the website in the description. This cover is by Base as well. I know it might seem a little bit bougie to have a cover for your luggage, but in my opinion, this luggage is a little pricey. So I want to make sure that I keep it as scuff-free as I can, because as we all know, baggage handlers tend to throw luggage around. And so I want to keep it as nice as possible. So thank you for joining. I hope you like this video. Again, let me know in the comments if this is something that you want to see more of. We appreciate you. Take care, have a good weekend, and we will see you on the next trail. Bye.